Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your value education class, children. Children, today we will do chapter 6. As you all know that chapter 6 we have already started. Okay, we have completed the first part on 16th of August, I think. So after that, and somehow this part, the half of the chapter means the last page, the next page was left to be completed. We skipped this one. So today we will complete chapter 6. Okay, so open your book at page number 25. This is our value education book, as you all know that, and this is chapter 6. Chapter 6 we were discussing in the previous class, right? So share your belongings. We have already completed also. This page is this page is completely done. We were on the next page. So today we will start from the next page. So open your book at page number 25 today. Okay, because we will start, I'll just give a brief detail of what we have done in the previous class, so that it will be easier for us you to relate. Okay, so I'm not going to start from this page number 26. This much is already done. Okay, we are left with this part. So for your convenience, okay, we will do this. We'll do this chapter. Just I'll explain it from the beginning. Okay, not in detail, just from the beginning. What is the name of the chapter and everything we will do. So open your book at 25. So the name of the chapter was Share Your Belongings, chapter 6. Okay, so here we have learnt about sharing. What is the meaning of sharing? Sharing means giving a portion or a part of something that you have to someone else. Okay, suppose you have 2 or 3 extra pens with you, and once you reach the school, you find that when the teacher asks you to take out the pencils, then you found that one of your friend is without pencil. He must have forgotten to bring the pencil. Then as you have extra pencils with you, so what is your duty? You should help her or him with the extra pencil that you have. So if you do so, this means you are sharing your things. Sometimes it also happens that some of your friend must have forgotten to pack up his tiffin. Okay, to bring his tiffin. So in the tiffin time, maybe she is sitting alone as she has not brought anything, but you have brought your own tiffin. Okay, then you can share your tiffin with your friend. So this is a very good habit. So you should develop the habit of sharing. This is what we have learned in this chapter, isn't it, in the previous class? So when we share our things with other, it makes people happy. When you share, because the friend who has not brought his pencil, she is now nervous because teacher is asking her to take out the pencil and she has not brought the pencil. Now she is very scared, right? So we should help her to come out from that, isn't it? If we have extra thing, then we should give her. Okay, then what happens? She or he will feel happy, isn't it? So when we share things with other, it makes other also happy, and it is very nice to share things with people, isn't it, who do not have many things with them. So relating to this, we have started with this story also. Okay, about 2 girls, is Sunita and Tanaya, isn't it? Sharing is a joy. Sharing is a joy. When we share our things, it makes us feel happy. So what we have learned that Sunita and Tanaya, they were studying in the same school, isn't it, and in the same class. They were classmates, so they used to study in the same school and in the same class. So what happened? Sunita, the one whose name was Sunita, she had a bad habit. And what was the bad habit? Of not sharing the things with others. So if you share your things with others, it is a good habit. If you don't share, it is not at all a good habit. It is a bad habit. So Sunita had that habit of not sharing the goods, her things with others. Okay, so on her birthday, Sunita invited Tanaya. It was Sunita's birthday, and she invited Tanaya. Tanaya came for the birthday party, and then Sunita, she received many gifts. She got many gifts. On your birthday also, you get gifts, right? So whoever comes to your place, they give you beautiful and nice gifts. So in this way, Sunita also got many gifts. turn the page number 26. Then, and her father also gave her a nice doll, and which Sunita liked the most. See, here you can see the picture, Sunita and Tanya. So this is the beautiful doll that Sunita has got. Now what happened? Tanya wanted to play with the doll. Okay, but as she has a bad habit of not sharing her things with other, she is denying. She's saying that no, you cannot play with my doll. Okay. Now see what happened. So the doll that Sunita's father has given is beautiful, and Tanya also wanted to play with that doll. But Sunita, she refused. She said, no, it is my doll and I will not give it. This much we have done in the previous class. Okay, now come to the next. So one day during the final exam, Sunita's pen stopped writing. Its ink was finished. She didn't have any extra pen. Tanya, who was sitting just behind her, understood her problem. Tanya took a pen from her box and said, Sunita, take this pen, write with it. After the exam, Sunita thanked Tanya and realized her mistake. Then onward, she started sharing things with others, especially with Tanya. Now see. So this way, on the day of her birthday, she refused to give her doll to Sunita. Okay, Sunita came back like that. So after a few days, what happened? During their final exam, when you have got your final exam, the same way, the way you have got your final exam, they also have their exam. Okay, so what happened? During the final exam, Sunita's pen stopped writing. Suddenly, Sunita's pen was not writing because its ink was finished. There was no ink in the pen. And now she did not have any extra pen also. And now Sunita is very scared how she will write in the exam. If she will not write, then what happened? She will be failed in the exam. So Sunita was just nervous what to be done. And Tanya was just sitting beside Sunita. Tanya, her friend, was sitting beside Sunita. And she could understand the problem. Okay, Tanya, she understood the problem that maybe her ink is finished and she has not got any extra pen. Now, if she will not write, she will be failed in the examination, right? And then what happened? This way, Tanya understood the problem and she gave a pen to Sunita to write in during the exam. And Sunita took the pen and she write the exam with the pen given to her by Tanya. Then after exam, Sunita thanked Tanya. And after the examination is over, Sunita thanked Tanya and she realized her mistake. And then she realized, yes, one day I have not given my doll to play to Tanya, but she has given me her pen, and without her pen, without her help, I could not have written the exam. Isn't it? Then only she understood. When she faced the problem, she understood. She realized her mistake. Okay, and from then onwards, from that day onward, she started sharing her things with others. Now she has developed the habit of sharing her things with others, and especially she started to share her things with Tanya. This means Sunita got a lesson from Tanya, right? Isn't it? So you should also keep this thing in mind that if you help others will also help you one day, right? So we should help others, isn't it? So what is the moral of the story? The moral is sharing is a good habit. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is sharing is a good habit. Okay. So this way we have completed this chapter 6. Now I will give you the question answers, and whatever the back exercises are there, I will give it to you, and through Telegram I'll send the question answer. You complete it at home. Okay? Understood? I think it is clear. Chapter 6 is clear now. Right. So thank you. Have a nice day.